Oh, look, she's hugging it.
You have to put, well, you don't have to, but I've seen a video where they're putting the little ones on the breast. But,
yeah, this one.
one breast.
Here you go, honey.
Is that on the breast? It's a nipple. Des, can you move your hand so I can see?
Here you go, little munchkin. You take this top one. Where are you climbing, sausage? It's right there in front of you. Open your eyes.
They can't open their eyes.
Ella, don't tell you.
Have the others got one?
These two.
There's one up there. That's for real
Honey.
poking out.
Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.
How about that one? How about this one? And this one. They need a booby.
Has he got it? No.
This.
Oh, there we go. No, lost it.
You're funny, Des.
There it goes. It's on.
Oh wait, there's a booby there.
No,
for the
don't
little baby.
leave it. So it can grab on. Here, sit on Mummy's leg. That's better. Look how cute. Look at her feeding over
Grabbed on?
Yeah. These two.
They're fighting for one. Fighting for the same one.
Hang on. There's more here. Look. Go, baby. Yeah. My little piggy. My little moo.
Aww.
My little moo cow.
I want to cuddle. I want to cuddle. Mom, I want to cuddle.
Precious.
I want to cuddle.
Sure it's not a cat dog?
Mom, I want to cuddle.
Half cat, half dog?
Oh, Desi, really quickly, okay, because it needs to eat.
That's why we've got tigers.
My hand.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's hungry, honey.
Oh, I couldn't cuddle
He's hungry.
from one of them. That one's a girl.
He's hungry, alright.
Yeah, baby.
No.
Yeah, it's right in front of you. No, don't distract that one. That one's eating. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at it.
You know what? You might just have to sniff your own way. These guys are all set up.
He'll kick the other one off.
Look, you just missed it again.
Oh, there's probably no milk in that one. They probably drained it already. He's looking for one that's full.
There's one here. Yeah, jump on, Mummy. That's all right. Yeah, it's in front of you.
Look at babies all over her.
Jinxie, are you stretching, honey? Look at what she's doing.
Fine.
Dad, what is
right.
that? Stretch.
To go.
He's going to push the other ones off. Desi's doing Jinxie's doing Lamar's exercises. Look at her. Stretching.
Stretch.
Stretching.